Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a Ford F-150. Stock number is 18F814A. Starting right away up front, you have factory fog lamps and easy access heavy-duty tow hooks, chrome bumper and grille. A look down the passenger side, you have chrome wheels. Looking at the tread on the tires, running boards on the side, inside, cloth interior. Center console folds up to become an additional third seat, making this a 6-seater. One more look down the passenger side, then swinging around to the back end. You have a factory trailer hitch, rear backup sensors, and a camera on the back. Taking a look at the bed, you have a spray-in bed liner and a Lakeland hardcap on top. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used truck dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Cruise, audio and Bluetooth controls mounted here. Full stereo, that includes a CD player. Climate control and your four-wheel drive controls are here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure, whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this F-150 on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All at holidayautomotive.com.